Okay, what we're potting up today is 2 weeks old. Look at them roots. Some dwarf blue kale. We got that. I'll be breaking them up. Thought the weather would have been better by now. And we're gonna pot up some celery. Put the roots in there. I'm about 3 weeks old. I got my go-tos. Gonna start off like regular. You know, got the premium raised bed mixed. Of course, some compost, peat moss, perlite. Usually go in everything. And a couple essentials that we may need at some point throughout the life of growing, right? So it's already ready to go. I'm gonna mix it up. We're gonna put it in these 3-gallon pots. Kind of fine. This water right here. We're gonna just water it a little bit. Just quarter of the way up, filled with dirt. Because we don't want the roots to be too dry. Feel dryness when they still get down there. We don't want to replant the root. We don't want to replant these and the roots have nothing to suck on at the bottom. Put about 3 celery in there. As long as you keep them watered real good, you should be all right. Depending on how quick you eat celery like me, I juice. So I use a lot of my celery for my own juice. Some dirt in there. Tie these around them just to make them easier to water. You got little pots like this, it'd be hard to see. Not tight, loosely tighten them up, you know. And you can properly even off the dirt around them if you need to. These good to go if you can see in there a little bit. Water it real good. It's just a little bit for now. Till I put them where they're going. There's a saucer down there. I just don't want it to drip till I get it down there. So here's how I do this so you can see. I'm potting up 2 cups of this dwarf blue kale. I put the 2 cups in the grow bag. Medium in there, aka the dirt, is already a little moist, a little damp, because I watered it. It's not totally dry. So I got these 2 cups here just so I can get an idea of where the holes will be at when I plant the kale. Now the kale is real small. This probably be the second home. They might go in something big, I'm not sure yet. But the kale is real small, so it's going to be kind of hard to plant them individually. So as the roots break up, at least these 2 holes will give me an idea of where to put them. And these 2 cups of dirt, that'll be easy to help me plant them. See, I separated those 2. One on this side, one on this side. I'm going to do the same thing with these. Have one on this side, one on that side. So again, this is kale. Little seedlings. All of them ain't gonna make it. You know that. You know how that goes. But we try. Sprinkle a little water on it. Loosen it up. Spin it around. Loosen it up after spinning it around. Dirt. Okay, so this is how it's looking. We got them watered real good in there. Now we can sit them in a spot in the tent so we can get them outside and keep them out here. Well, it's the blue dwarf kale. Yeah, these are a little difficult, but when they grow up, they ain't gonna be like this. You'll see how pretty they look, trust me. On that note, hope this was helpful. If you like this content, Please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Brotha Greenthumb, and I'm signing out. Peace. Let's be love. Understand, I know about being so broke. No clothes, gotta rock a coat for a shirt. Don't make a permanent decision on temporary terms. Violate the wrong thing that day, you gon' learn this time to get right. I see stress escalating. Learn to invest, get off the corporate plantation. My vision right, baby, and framework done. I told my mama I'm reborn, this ain't the same old son. Look what financial literacy done. Look what financial literacy done. You got to educate yourself or you gon' remain dumb. Understand, listen to that.